Hello, and thank you for joining us at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm Yvette Faruja, your host today, and we're going to be showcasing some beautiful Easter cookies. Now, we've used our signature vanilla sugar cookie recipe here, okay, and we're going to be decorating that with fondant. We've used rose pink and sage and yellow from the Colour Mill range, and we've just kept our colours very soft, very pastel, but you could go ahead and make these as bright and vibrant as you would like. Okay, so for our Easter egg, we've just used our large Easter egg cutter, rolled out some beautiful of the darker pink fondant, attached it onto our cookie, just with a small amount of water around the edge of the cookie. And then we've also used a large bow mold. Okay, you can use whichever one you have at home, or you could even make your fondant bow from scratch just by cutting out a couple of rectangles and gluing them together. Okay, so once it's out of its mold, just glue it on with a little dab of water, just the tiniest amount onto your fondant. And then using whatever little flower molds you have, again with our lemon and also our different shades of pink and a little bit of green, you can go ahead and add on some flowers to decorate your beautiful Easter cookie. All our supplies and so much more can be found at Caper's Warehouse. And if you'd like to order online, make sure you use our discount code Enchanted10 and receive 10% off all your online orders. We'd love to see what you're getting creative with this Easter. So if you are using our designs and basing yours on our designs, we'd love to see what you come up with. It's always wonderful to see what others are doing out there. So please go ahead, tag us on Instagram. We're just at hashtag Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and we would love to see what you get creative with. All right, have fun, guys. We'll be back soon. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.